Hello viewers, Flipkart has started a new sale by the name Big Saving Days Sale. It will start tonight at midnight and last till 13th of March. In this sale, you will get discounts on smartphones, tablets and many other gadgets, and also beauty, fashion and clothings. In the tablet section, you can see that there is offer on Realme Pad 2 Lite. Actually, Flipkart is offering discounts on various tablets including Redmi, Samsung, iPad, etc. And you can see that Lenovo P12 is on offer, and also Lenovo Tab Plus, and also Poco Pad 5G will be on offer. Then there is Infinix X Pad and also Lenovo M11 tablet. The price of these tablets will be live at midnight, so you have to wait till midnight if you want to buy any tablet of your choice. If you are looking to buy Samsung Galaxy Tab S9 AP or S9 AP Plus, you will not get discounts in this sale. Rather, you should buy Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus under 20,000 rupees. If you want to know the best price of Samsung Galaxy Tab A9 Plus for the 8GB and 128GB version, the best price is 13,499 rupees. And for the 5G version, it should be around 15 or 16k. If you have a tight budget of 20,000 or lesser, you can buy Redmi Pad Pro and Poco Pad 5G. Both these tablets are very good in this price segment. The price of iPad 10th generation is showing 28,000 rupees after discount. So if you are planning to buy iPad 10th generation, this might be a good chance for you. However, the best price of iPad 10th generation is 26 to 27,000 rupees, and recently iPad 11th generation has been launched, so you can also buy iPad 11th generation at 32,999 rupees using student ID or teacher ID. Many users actually want to know about this. I will make a separate video how you can use your student ID or teacher ID to get the best benefit of purchasing Apple products. Now, if you want to know about the card discounts, you have to have HDFC credit card or debit card to avail the discounts. And if you don't have this credit card, I will suggest you not to buy any product, because you have to buy this product at a higher price if you don't have credit card. Now let me know in the comment sections below which tablet you are going to buy, and if you have any questions regarding the price or anything about any product, feel free to ask me in the comment sections below. I will try to answer those questions to the best of my knowledge. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button, share this video and subscribe the channel for more such interesting videos. In my next video, I will talk about iPad 11th generation and Xiaomi Pad 7. Which tablet is best for you? So if you want to watch that video, stay connected with this channel. Thank you very much for watching this video. Have a great day.